He does it every time, dude.
Oh my, super cute. Watch how fast he is.
Dude, it's so small. It's an albino.
See him in the back? Don't pop it, we're gonna die.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, all right, we have our rarest and most expensive turtle that we've ever bought, and it's about to go into the new enclosure. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, it looks so sick. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here. Today I got a package. I got it in the mail the other day.
I got a package. If that's what I'm thinking it is, it's a lot smaller than I thought.
Yeah, I have waited a couple days for this now. Dude, it's so small.
That's what she said.
So the other day, I was on Amazon, and I was like, I wanna buy the smallest turtle enclosure, or pond, I don't know what it would be called. This is the smallest turtle thing I could find on Amazon. So I made that purchase, and yeah, it comes with little palm trees. I'm assuming these palm trees go right here. It's actually super cool. It has a spot right here, where we're probably gonna put like sand and stuff like that. And then on this back side would be a different type of, maybe like gravel, or we have a dope little tiny, the smallest turtle enclosure in our hands right now. When I give you a size comparison, this thing is literally, it's not even as big as 2 of my palms. You ready for this? Let's do it. Let's take a look at our other one for now. This is our first turtle pond. As you can see in our corner here, we have little musk turtles. Beautiful little guy, he's right there. Our little yellow belly right there, and a soft shell in the back. Except for that is not the soft shell we bought. There's another soft shell in here. My friend brought me this soft shell they found in their yard. Look at him. Oh, he's quick. Look at little buddy, he's so tiny, and he has a little black belly. Super cute. Watch how fast he is. I'm in love with baby turtles. And on that note, I have a very insane project in mind for this bottom shelf here. Oh! What I was saying was, the bottom shelf right here, I want to put this, I'm obviously keeping this because I love it, but I want to do something that's like 8 inches high along the whole bottom and have 2 basking spots with lights hanging on each side. This whole bottom thing is a turtle pond. What do you think of that? Like, the whole thing is 8 inches high, and then in width would be the width of the shelf with a bunch of baby turtles all along it. So from this, we have a cool idea on what we want to do here. This thing is so tiny. I have a couple thoughts, and I don't think I'm gonna go with any ordinary turtle at the end of this. We're gonna buy something crazy. Look at the soft shell, buried himself in the sand. So under the flower horn tank, we have some sand from leftover projects. We're gonna do this project over by the 1,000. Before we get to putting sand inside our new tub, you know what time it is. Let's feed the animals. Gotta love the ducks. They instantly stop quacking the second you throw the food. Another scoop. Hey, mama duck. Kevin, what up, Kev? Kevin, speaking of Kevin, what's up, Kev?
What's up?
This is real Kevin. I gotta go get more food again. It feels like I'm literally at the feed store every day. I see comments saying buy bulk, buy bulk. Unfortunately, well, I guess I have a garage. I was gonna say I have nowhere to put it, but I do have a garage, so I guess I could do that, actually. All right. Here you go, pig. He does it every time, dude. Jeez. There you go, dude.
Oh my, you saw that?
They wreck each other.
Oh my god.
Bro, I avoided that.
Oh my.
That was close, bro. That was close.
Dude.
Big pigs are good. Something crazy about pigs, and a lot of people don't know, pigs are literally the smartest animals. They will go poop in one section, pigs pee in their mud pits. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Pigs also don't sweat, so in order to stay cool, they get inside the mud pit. They would probably love their own pond, honestly. Maybe that'll be one of our next projects, a nice pond for the pigs. Who knows? What I was trying to get to was they're great indoor pets as well, as long as you have space to put them once they do grow, because there ain't no such thing as a mini pig. Look at it now, it's the size of me. They're big.
Control their food, they'll probably stay smaller.
Yes, their diet is a big part of it, so if you don't feed them like crazy, they do stay smaller. I was behind the camera. Oh gosh, Bubba, not again, dude. Bubba. Get. Put your head over there. Oh, shit. I was waiting for you to walk over there. I would have got you. Cut the clip. We're gonna do this project over by the 1,000-gallon pond. That's what we're next to right now, and it's crystal clear, by the way. A couple days later, this thing is clear. Our little turtle tub right here. Got our sand. Let's put some substrate in this sucker. You know, this really brings me back to the old days. We used to do stuff like this all the time, and I miss it. That's why I went on Amazon and I just bought a bunch of stuff. You're gonna see some more stuff I bought in some of these upcoming videos, so if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I got some other stuff that arrived that I'm gonna make videos on, you know, later on. But substrate is going in. Look at this. How cool is that? I like the whole sand look. It's like a beachy vibe, you know? Check this out. We have a mini beach turtle tub. Up here is gonna be obviously where it could bask because we are going to get lights and all that stuff for this. So this far, this is what our enclosure looks like just like 10 minutes in. I honestly couldn't be happier with the small little DIY project that we did in literally 10 minutes. The whole goal of this video is anyone that's watching could do something like this. Now, would I typically say to get something this small for your turtles? Absolutely not. Not a single time. But if they're a little tiny baby turtle, they can definitely live in that temporarily. As long as you keep that water clean, you have a filter on it. In this case, I don't believe we're gonna do a filter in it. This is something more reasonable for turtles. Like, they can live in this for a while. You can see there's a pump that's cleaning the water constantly. Hey, little snapping turtle. We got a nice basking rock, live, you know, plants. Much more sustainable environment for these small baby turtles. So they definitely don't compare to each other, that's for sure. This is a lot more like plain, you know, cheap. But I think it's really cool, and I want to get a dope turtle for it. I swear to you, man, we're going to go to the pet store and see what kind of, not only turtles they have, but we need to pick up lights, the UVB, and the heat lamp for this, and a couple other things. So let's head on over to that. We are here, pet store, looking at tanks. We always come in, we look right at the tanks. He's literally, quite literally looking at the tank.
Make a little tree, dude.
That is cool, dude. That is really cool.
You gotta put like moss and then just let it go grow everywhere.
Blackworms. Remind me before I leave, Kevin. We need to get some of these this time. Blackworms are like axolotl's best friend. By best friend, I mean favorite food to eat.
I love tetras.
Oh yeah, tetras are cool. I have a big tank full of tetras. Oh, I literally thought that was a dead air one. It's just decor. Fell over. What is that thing?
Spanish dancer. They call it lettuce nutta.
Lettuce nutta?
Nutta.
Lettuce nutta. Lettuce nutta, $10. I think it's weird. We got some starfish here. Another starfish. Look at those urchins. Don't step on those.
Sexy shrimp.
Oh yeah. Good eye. Doesn't want to focus, but I got it. That thing is huge. When I mean the size of my hand, like quite literally, look at that. We got some turtles here, little yellow bellies and stuff, but I know on the other side, because we've obviously been here before, there's more species.
Dude, I found one in my backyard the other day.
If you look in the back, there's a snapping turtle right there. Probably get, what, little yellow belly?
I like that one. Look at his face.
Look at this one.
I like to do a little research on it.
Got it, right here. Comes with the light, I think. Includes, yep, UVB and heat lamp.
There's more turtles there.
That's what I was saying, yeah. These are soft shells and stuff. Look at him just vibing up there.
Dude,
They're chilling.
Like they're
He's
melting.
hugging. He's literally hugging him.
He's hugging like a melted piece of chocolate.
There's an albino.
There is.
Albino radio slider. See him in the back?
Yeah.
Look, $180. Should we send it?
I think we send it for the
If we send
There's
it
another
for
one.
the bid. Look at him. Look at the one back there. There's 3 of them. He's saying hi right now. Oh.
That was not the eat I thought it was gonna be. Dude, look at him talking like dum 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 dum.
If I'm gonna buy this, we need everyone watching right now to smash the like button. Am I right?
And subscribe.
And subscribe. So you gotta smash the like button, subscribe down below, and then I'll spend my bank account on the turtle.
You can't say no. Look how cute that is.
I know, he
you
is
can't
so
say no,
cute.
and then look at him. You can't say no.
Okay, yeah, you're right. I can't say no. I'll do one.
All 3.
Buy all set. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's him.
He's getting abducted.
Yeah, he is. He's getting abducted.
We got an albino turtle.
You could really see the colors now that we're at the register.
We got our albino turtle. This guy's really cute. The light, the UVB, and then some blackworms for the axolotls, which we know they're gonna love. All right, got everything we need?
Don't shake that too much. Like,
Oh, you're right, the turtle.
Like gory?
The turtle's in there. Let's head home. Oh, hey brother, what's going on? We're back. Inside our bag, we have our live blackworms, which we're going to be feeding our axolotls. These axolotls are fired up. You can see he's in there, but they smell all these live blackworms. You can see the worms moving. Aw, they're kissing. Aw. Look at all those blackworms just getting ready to crawl into the sand. They'll literally crawl into the sand. Look at that sucker. So as you know, we bought some blackworms, these little creepy crawlers, and my axolotls right here ended up loving those. Not only my axolotls liked them, my African cichlids actually did some damage on them as well. But look at this sucker. He is so cool looking. You can see so much better on the iPhone, so I decided to switch to this just to get some closer footage of how pretty this little guy or girl is. I mean, look at the pattern on the belly. Look at that. Little yellow feet, red eyes. Beautiful little guy. Dude, those blackworms stink. Whew. Heat lamp, right there. 50 watt. UVB, 5.0 UVB. Ah! Dude, I just felt this thing on my neck.
don't pop it, we're gonna die.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I thought it was a little stink bug. God, buddy's got like Spider-Man. Look at this. There he goes. The moment of truth, what you've all been waiting for. Our albino turtle right here is about to go into the new enclosure. This is super cool. This thing is awesome. I don't suggest getting this for your turtle. I really don't. I'm gonna put him in for now to have some fun on his own. All right, let's turn the heat lamp and the UVB on. Ready? Trash. Take two. Trash. Since it wants to keep going there, that's where I'm gonna throw it. All right, bud, you go do your thing, all right? Let's put you in the water and see what you do. Dude, that is a beautiful turtle. He's at the resort. This is his home, and he's at the resort right now. Hey, bud. Yeah, you gonna go up? He's like, nope, I'm gonna keep swimming and looking where the heck I am. Again, I love doing stuff like this. The turtle has a cool little new housing for now, and came out really cool. It was fun, a quick project. Although Buddy over here isn't gonna be staying in here. He's got himself a 5-star hotel room over about 2 feet to the right, where I'm gonna put him right there, and he's got a bunch of turtle friends, as you can see them all right there in the corner. Oh, he took off. There he is, up in the corner there where there's no current, and he is chilling. Look at how happy all three of these guys are in the corner. And then you got him in that corner. Hey, question for you. Our new albino red ear slider, we have big ones at the farm, which I could only imagine how much of those cost. Sheesh. What should we name our new albino slider? Let me know, comment down below the most liked comment or the name you know we all agree on. I will put in one of these upcoming videos, so comment down below what should we name our albino turtle. And hey, I have a plan for this whole entire project. There's a reason why I did this. This light needs to be hung here regardless for the next turtle project, because the next turtle project is that big pond that goes all the way across here that I really want to do, and regardless of that, we're gonna need a light over here and a light over there. So this right here was not pointless to put and hang up and do all that work. Although this, I'm probably never gonna use again. Although I'll be giving this away on my Instagram at Cuffaro. If you guys do want this, just DM me there. This thing is really cool. I actually really want to keep it, but why not give it to a Cuffaro, huh? It's funny because I even remember in all those older videos that I used to do this exact same stuff, and at the end I would always dump the tanks out. Good times, man, good times. If you guys want this for real, DM me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're going to enjoy, smash the like button. Let's see 20,000 likes on this video. And I'll probably see you right back here in the next video. But Daniel, come here real quick. We gotta get fish for this thing soon. 1,000-gallon pond. I know I told you guys to comment a name for the turtles, but also let me know what you think we should put in this pond. Dude, what if we did a largemouth bass pond and we were hand feeding them a bunch of stuff? If you guys want to rep the merch, PC merch right here. Top link in the description of all my videos. Go get your, go. I don't promote my merch, it gets a little hard sometimes. Go check out the merch, top link. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace! Go get your, go.